going to learn about letter M. Which letter? Letter M. M makes sound M, M, M. M makes sound M, M, M. Now we see some object of letter M. M for mug. M for mug. M says M, M, M. M for matchbox. M for matchbox. M says M, M, M. M for marker. M for marker. M says M, M, M. M for money. M for money. M says M, M, M. M for medal. M for medal. M says M, M, M. M for mask. M for mask. M says M, M, M. M for mat. M for mat. M says M, M, M. Now I will show some picture of letter M. M for monkey. M makes sound M, M, monkey. M for man. M for man. M makes sound M, M, M. M for mango. Do you like it, mango? Yes. M makes sound M, M, M. M for mother. M for mother. I love my mother. M for moon. M for moon. M makes sound M, M, M. M for mouse. M for mouse. M makes sound M, M, M. M for mountain. M for mountain. M makes sound M, M, M. M for milk. M for milk. M makes sound M, M, M. Now we see how to write letter M. One standing line, one slanting line, one more slanting line, and one standing line. This is capital letter M. See again, one standing line, one slanting line, one more slanting line, and one standing line. It is capital letter M. Now see small letter M. One standing line and two curve make a small letter M. Again, one standing line and two curve make a small letter M. Thank you.